1. Preparations before equipment installation. Prepare the site. 220 voltage power supply. A computer, purified water, screwdriver, pliers before installation. 2. Machine packaging, disassembly and accessories check. First, remove the outer packaging wooden box, then carefully remove the wrapping film outside the machine. Open the wooden box and find the relevant accessories and check carefully. If there is any damage, please contact the manufacturer. 3. Platform installation. Installation of the honeycomb platform. Remove the blade and place it on the blade holder in turn. Lift the honeycomb platform horizontally and place it horizontally from the rear of the device to the blade holder. 4. Chiller installation. Find the chiller, open and remove the chiller box, and find the power cord and 2 water pipes. Open the chiller water injection cover. Fill it with pure water and then tighten the water injection cover. To connect the water pipes, connect one end of the water pipe to the water outlet of the machine, the other end to the water inlet of the chiller. Then connect one end of the other water pipe to the water inlet of the machine, and the other end to the water outlet of the chiller. After connecting the water pipe, find the water protection line and connect one end of the water protection cable to the chiller port. Locate the power cord and plug it into the machine's rear strip or power outlet to ensure that the chiller is off. 5. Air pump installation. Then install the other end of the air pump to the corresponding air inlet of the machine. And finally, install the power line of the air pump correspondingly to the rear row of the machine. 6. Fan installation. First, find the fan, duct and power cord. Prepare the pliers and flat blade screwdriver or sleeve tool in advance. Find the duct and the hook. Clamp the hook to the air duct and install the air outlet of the air duct of the equipment to the fan. The air suction port and the hook are clamped. The other air duct is installed to the air outlet of the fan and the hook is clamped. And finally, the power cable of the fan is connected. 7. Installation of the laser tube. The 280-watt laser device has been installed in place and the optical path has been adjusted before leaving the factory. If the user has a lead path deviation when using it for the first time, the user can adjust the length for debugging. 8. Boot and precautions. Locate the power cord of the machine. Plug it into the real socket of the machine. Plug the power cord into the power strip and turn on the power. And then turn on the emergency stop switch, the machine switch, the chiller switch, and then turn on the chiller switch to confirm the water cycle. And finally, turn the laser power switch on. 9. Software installation. First, find the data cable from the fare pocket. Connect the computer to the machine. Then, find the USB flash drive and plug it into the computer. Copy the software to the computer and open the software installer to install the software. After the software installation is complete, open the software icon on the desktop of the computer. Enter the software use interface and use the software to set up and download the software according to the software uses. For the specific function description of the laser software, please read the software manual in the USB carefully. 10. Cutting demonstration. First, import the graphic file to be processed into the software. Set the processing parameters such as speed and power, and download the data to the machine. Finally, press the Start button on the panel to process. Shutdown and precautions. After using the machine, you need to turn off the machine. Turn off the laser power switch, chiller switch, machine switch, emergency stop switch. For the safety of the machine, disconnect the main power supply of the machine.